Welcome back home, man. Uyu munsi no kukubaza mu Kinyarwanda. Uyu munsi bye no kubaza mu Kinyarwanda.
Ni amahoro dore umushyitsi atugwiriyemo. Nawe yabara buri byaje gukora hano. Ndabizi ko ibindi kuvuga atabyumva.
I have a chance to work with the biggest, the best, the most talented. This guy, man, he's international. So thank you, man. Thank you for the collabo, bro.
What do you think musicians should do to bring peace back to Kenya?
Yes. Kenya is peaceful.
Like what we see outside is not actually peaceful.
I want people to know that Kenya is peaceful. Ay, man, you know Bruce Melody is international. Bruce Melody has a song with Shaggy. So if I do a song with Bruce Melody, maybe I'll be famous.
You recorded a tune with the band, but you didn't release the track.
It never came. The producer ran away with it. I didn't know. I didn't see it, man. I looked for it. It didn't materialize. I love the band so much. The band has a song with Ben Sol in his album.
Yes.
And I'm looking forward to working with the band also. I have 4 songs with Mike Kayihura. Mike Kayihura, if I catch you.
Inga dufite muri East Africa kabisa. Numwe mu bajene barimbaga muri Sauti akabaje mu mishinga rero no witwa Bruce Melody bakabaje gukora indirimbo bafitanye ndetse bakabaje gutunganya amashusho yo ndirimbo mona bye rero nava ku Kigali abana Kigali maze gusa naho iba mu rugo ko si ubwa mbere sinubwa kabera maze kuba ahaza bivuze ko rero uyu mugabo witwa bye hano hamaze kuba mu rugo kabisa navuga ko abantu ni umwe mu bajene cyane bakomeye cyane bo kwitega muri game yacu bye. Welcome back home, man. Uyu munsi no kukubaza mu Kinyarwanda. Uyu munsi bye no kubaza mu Kinyarwanda. Urabona rero Bruce Melody nawe yabana. Mamumona kabisa cyane ahuye nabye tukaba tugiye kujyana ikiganiro gatoya cyane mu minota mike cyane tubuze gukoresha hanyuma tubabaze ku mishinga bafite y'indirimbo bakoranye n'ibindi byose muri boze kuba mumenya 5 kuri 5
International Airport.
tukaba rero tu live ku kibuga mpuzamahanga cya Kigali Kanombe atuje kuganira n'uyu mujene bikabye wo muri Sauti ndetse na Bruce Melody itahi wacu.
Welcome back.
Turamubaza mu Kinyarwanda uyu munsi.
Weka zote basi.
Gitangaza.
Yes.
Amahoro.
Ni amahoro dore umushyitsi atugwiriyemo. Nawe yabara buri byaje gukora hano. Ndabizi ko ibindi kuvuga atabyumva. Ariko ari dushya bayumva tu.
So welcome back BNM.
Merci.
What do you think always when you come back in Rwanda?
I feel like I'm coming back home. You know, my heart belongs here. I love Rwanda so much.
Yeah.
I've been coming here for many years. I want to thank my brother Bruce Melody for inviting me. We have a beautiful song together. We're coming to shoot the video. So anything to come back to Rwanda, you know.
So we know that it wasn't like the first time you was just talking to Bruce Melody, to having a collabo. So the story behind this song, you know, because we hope that it has taken like long time, you know, to decide that you have to have this song.
Me and Bruce, we don't have one song. We have many songs.
We have many songs, yeah.
Even tomorrow we might decide to change our mind and shoot another video. But a lot of songs together. Bruce and I have been creating for a long time, and we are both musicians who are passionate about the art. And it wasn't a hard decision to make to do this song. It was a very easy one. The song is beautiful, and I can't wait to put it out for the people of Kenya and Rwanda to do it. And with to jump on TikTok with. It's just gonna be a beautiful.
Ben, working with Bruce Melody and Rwanda in general, what does it mean to you?
It's everything. You know, I've never had a chance to put out a song with a Rwandese artist before because of one reason or the other. Sometimes I was in the group, sometimes things were hard, but now I have a chance to work with the biggest, the best, the most talented. This guy, man, he's international. So thank you, man. Thank you for the collabo, bro.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, and I know it's just going to be fire.
So Ben, you shot the video with AG Baby,
Yes.
Wahala.
Here in Rwanda. Here in Rwanda,
yeah.
yes.
What are your thoughts about that smash hit?
Yeah, it's beautiful, man. I shot it with a Rwandese director as well.
Really?
Yes.
Who's the director?
Cedric.
Oh, Drake.
Cedric, yeah. Every time I come to Rwanda, Cedric does my video. So Cedric shot the video. I love it, man. I hope the people of Rwanda love it as well.
Yeah.
And we are pushing the song as well right now. It's currently charting in Kenya. It's #1 in Kenya. It's #5 in Nigeria.
Wow.
It's number one in Tanzania, so it's really doing super well. And I'm happy to bring it here, man. I'm happy I did it in Rwanda.
We know that you are a fashionist, but how did you decide to use that outfit from Motion?
Hey, why not? Motion is global, worldwide. You know, it's a beautiful brand. Africans must understand that African designers are designer. The same way you wear Gucci, you wear Prada, you wear African designers. Motion is the same as any global designer I know in terms of quality, in terms of fashion, and the Rwandese elements and details that he puts on his clothes are global. So why not, man? That's my brother, man. Yeah. Shout out to Motions.
Let's talk about East African music. You know, we are trying to penetrate to world music.
Yeah.
How do you see the energy? Which effort, what do you think we should add in our effort?
I think we should collaborate more. I think it's more of Bruce Melody working with BN. I think it's more of Tanzania working with Kenya. And the more we collaborate, the more we're going to move. We've seen that's the formula that West Africa has been using. Nigerians have done it. The French side of West Africa do it all the time. So East African artists, let's work together. Let's move together. You know, in Swahili they say kidole kimoja hakivuji chawa, to mean one finger can't kill a lice. You know, like we need to work together. We need to hold each other's hands.
Ben,
yeah.
Currently you have a smash hit, which is called Extra Pressure.
Oh yes. Imefika huku.
Featuring Ben Sol.
It's actually big.
Has it reached here?
It is big here.
My people,
so what are your thoughts? How do you came up with that tune?
Yeah, that tune, we recorded it, I think, 3 years ago. Yeah, it's not a new song for me. In fact, in my mind, I'd already moved on from it because Ben Sol is one who was supposed to be in his album. And even Bruce, when you came to Nairobi, I played for you that song. Yeah, so I'm just happy, man. It's God's blessings. You know, when you get a hit song, you don't take it for granted. Yeah, it's hard to get a hit song.
How was the vibe in the studio?
Sometimes you're recording and you think this is a hit song and then it goes nowhere. Sometimes you just record, you're honoring your gift and it just goes to another level. So I'm so blessed, man. I'm so happy. I'm thankful to the fans for accepting the music, for doing the TikTok challenge. I couldn't do it without you guys, man.
How was the vibe in the studio?
Two more questions.
Talking about
I'll take five. 5.
How was the vibe? How was the vibe in the studio?
The vibe was lit. The vibe was lit. It's all
talking about the tunes, you have a song that is called A Student. It is one of our physiological songs that you have today. Does it connect to your separation, the group separation? Do you connect it to Sauti?
Nah, man, no. It's just a song, man, about my life. If you listen to my album, Alusa Why You Topless, all the songs are just about my journey and my life. Yeah, man. But Sauti Sol, we are good by the guys.
Specifically to A Student?
Yeah, A Student is about the education system in Kenya.
Really?
Yes.
So
Just
Like now, how is like Soul Generation progressing? Yeah.
Soul Generation is progressing super well. Our festival, Soul Fest, is happening in December. Sauti Sol members are good. I was with them yesterday. We have signed new acts for Soul Generation. We are pivoting also Soul Generation to become a music school. So we're putting our effort and our money into music education for East Africans to come there and develop talent. And we are investing in the next generation.
Okay, let's talk about the Gen Z, the issue of Kenya.
Yes.
The Gen Z is one of the popular issues today around the world.
Yes.
So what do you think musicians should do to bring peace back to Kenya?
Yes. Kenya is peaceful.
What we see outside is not actually peaceful.
I want people to know that Kenya is peaceful. The government is not doing its job. Yes. You think if Ruto was like Kagame, we'd be complaining. We will not be complaining. We'd be moving on with things. So I think what the question is, what can the government do to give Gen Z a good environment for them to be able to grow their gifts, their minds, their ideas, and to move them to the next level? And
where is your position?
I'm with the people. Okay. Artists must always be with the people.
Just you did a song with Bruce Melody.
Let me take a question from somebody else.
Thanks so much. You did a song with Bruce Melody, coming to shoot a video. What do you think it will add to your career?
Man, you know Bruce Melody is international. Bruce Melody has a song with Shaggy. So if I do a song with Bruce Melody, even you'll be famous. and you know, I was in Sauti Sol, I was in a group. The group is big. But for BN, I'm starting my career fresh. So this is a big deal for me, guys. It's a big deal for me. I'm a rising artist. This guy is putting me on, and I'm so grateful.
Okay. Yeah. Speaking of Sauti Sol, you recorded a tune with the band. But he didn't release the track.
It never came. The producer ran away with it. I didn't know. I didn't see it, man. I looked for it. It didn't materialize. I love the band so much. The band has a song with Ben Sol in his album. Yes. And I'm looking forward to working with the band also. I have 4 songs with Mike Kayihura. Mike Kayihura, if I catch you, just know. Mike Kayihura, we have 4 songs together. And I'm looking forward also to work with Kivumbi. We've been talking. I love Kivumbi so much. I love Rwanda's music, guys.
And
you know
what
me, I'm
should
one
we
of you.
expect from Bruce Melody and your collaboration too?
More songs. Me and Bruce don't have only one song. We also have more songs. So guys, this is not the first song we are putting out together. Now I'm on my album, next is on my album.
What pushes you to love Rwandans and Rwanda?
Because you know, when you look at my name, BNMA, I'm Rwandese. People everywhere, people see me in the world, they tell me I'm Rwandese. When I come here, I'm welcome so much. I love Sombe. I love the Daga. So what do I do, man? I just have to be
Melody ikibazo kimwe Melody Melody abakunzi bawe
kuza akavuga Kivumbi King akavuga The Ben akavuga n'abandi ba artiste muri rusange ki ku muziki nyarwanda nkawe nk'umu artiste dufite kandi
bisobanuye ko umuziki ugeze mu karere ariko usibye ko nge nta birenze mbibonamo kubera ko bigenza twabonye amahirwe kuba twakira ibihangano byacu hanze n'abandi bakabibona nta gitangaza kirimo ni nkuko natwe tuza bibabo
Melody abakunzi bawe
twemere gatoya byange bikunda iki ngiki n'ikimenyetso kigaragaza ko wenda you are about to release this album so to expecting it yani
murayibona muhumure ibintu byose biri kugenda neza reka nje mu mirimo
dukonkiriwa gatoya hari ejo bundi twabonye noza festival wagomba like ibitaramo by'uruhererekane wagomba gukorera muri Canada bizaba ibitaramo bizaba ahubwo turaza kubaha neza impinduka ngenda zibaho kandi byose no kubigira neza no kugira ngo birusheho kugenda neza murabona ko ibyo turi gukora ari ukongera playlist ku yindi kugira ngo abafana bacu bari hose ku isi tubateme ibintu bizima
abakunzi bawe ba muzika bari mu ntara bitegeki
turabica
thank you so much okay po
Calligraph Jones Nadia Mukanda
Calligraph Jones.
Calligraph Jones, Aliket.
Calligraph Jones.
Calligraph Jones, Diamond.
Calligraph Jones.
Calligraph Jones, Bruce Melody.
Let's go.
Ngo rero Bruce Melody yinjira mu modoka ndetse nabye yawe bari baje kureba ubona ko ebana ibintu byiza cyane ebana mu modoka nziza cyane bimanukira gake gake bavuga bati reka turebe uko biza kuba bigenda n'izi project zabo ko baza kuba azikora mu kiganiro byageze wenda maciremo gake gake kubyo yagerageje kugenda atangariza abantu batarimo kumva zino mbuga yavuze ati Sauti nejo twari kumwe n'abavandimwe wanjye kandi turakomeza kuba turi kumwe bamajwe ku mishinga aje mu Kigali avuga ko Kigali rwose akunda ari mu rugo afite indirimbo na Bruce Melody baje kwishutinga ndetse kandi bazakorana nyinshi cyane ndamuzi ndetse Bruce Melody indirimbo mukoranye tekereza ko ari iki yaba izongera kuri kariyeri yawe aravuga ati no mugahanzi w'umustar wakoranye n'abarimo Shaggy nekereza ko rero byanga bikunda zaba ari indirimbo nziza cyane kandi zaba ari indirimbo tuzaryoherwa n'ibizayiturukamo cyangwa se n'ibizayivamo akomeza kugenda komoza ku bahanzi barimo witwa Mike Kayihura bakoranye project nyinshi cyane avuga ati twakoranye indirimbo nyinshi cyane ahubwo naramubuze kugira ngo tugende tuzisohora avuga ko akunda Kivumbi King uyu mugabo rero witwa bye akaba aje mu bikorwa nk'uko nabibabwiye aje mu bikorwa byo gutunganya amashusho y'indirimbo yakoranye na Bruce Melody ubona ko nyuma yaho Sauti isa naho itagikora bye n'umwe mu bahanzi bagiye basa naho bagenda bigaragaza mu buryo bumwe cyangwa se ubundi muri project zitandukanye yagiye akora nk'iyo yakoranye na Ben Soul nziza cyane nayo mwakunze navuga ko rero n'umwe mu bahanzi b'abahanga bakomeje kwidextinga nyuma yaho groupe ya Sauti yari maze iminsi itagikora turabizi cyane kenshi cyane usanga haba ari groupe zikora ariko zigakora ziri kumwe n'abandi bantu most of the time rero usanga yo ya groupe itagikora aribwo tumenya neza umuntu wari uhagarariye groupe muri rusange rero navuga ko bye n'umwe mu bahanzi nabo bongeye kwerekana ko nyina gifite imbaraga zo gukora agifite umwanya wo gukora ibintu binini kandi nekereza ko dukwiye kumwitegaho byinshi cyane tuzaba dukurikira mu minsi iza turaza kumenya rero ngo ni video iri buzo kurwana amakuru nakuruye ariko ni video ishobora gukorwa n'uwitwa Faizo ariko byewe muri interview tujyanye igihe gito akaba yavuze ko yagiye ashootingwa n'uwitwa Cedric ayo ngo n'umwe mu producer nawe beza cyane dufite hano mu gihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda bye rero navuga ko ngizo mu ncamake z'ibyo tuganiriye mu gihe gitoya vuba cyane rero tuzakomeza kugukenere iby'iyi mishinga y'uyu mujene wo muri Kenya uje Kigali ubona ko amaze kuza Kigali inshuro nyinshi cyane navuga ko byanga bikunda kuba akomeje kuza Kigali inshuro nyinshi cyane bivuze ko habaye mu rugo nkuko nabivuze wa mugani usanga ko ni bimwe bikwereka ko wa mugani hano habaye mu rugo kandi koko nibikorwa za kuhakorera bikwereka ko nyine numwe mu bahanzi b'abahanga kandi bakomeye cyane muri South Africa yaho no muri Afrika yakwirutse kandi ukora ndi muri twaje Crown Gold bimwe no muhanzi bakomeye cyane akaba n'umugabo wa Simi muri Nigeria Simi ubwo yarerutse mu mikino ya basketball yaberaga muri bar niho yaje guhura yaberaga muri arena niho yaje guhurira n'uyu ngwitwa Eme hanyuma bapanga umushinga ndetse bakaba n'indirimbo yabaye nziza cyane bibeme rero nabako n'umwe mu bahanzi b'abahanga rwose umuntu atashidikanyaho habe na gato rero reka mvuye ngo abakunzi ba BigTown TV abakunzi ba Wisdom TV n'ubundi mamubana natwe umunsi ku wundi reka tubashimire ko mwadukurikirana cyane mwabanye natwe n'ubundi tuzakomeza kugenda tubagezaho amakuru agiye agezweho kandi abavugwa hirya no hino mu isi dutuye amahoro y'Imana bane namwe